This is illegal, you know.
Pancake,
Waffle,
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 pancake.
waffle. Get away together. Open it. Okay. Open the show. Okay.
Hi, I'm Pancake.
Hi, I'm Waffle. This is Pancake and Waffle Show.
So I'm gonna
Excuse me. Today we're going to be reviewing Starburst Summer Splash.
with that splash.
That splash, though.
He said,
Splash. I ain't never had a bad Starburst. Have you ever had a nasty Starburst?
not at all.
I lied.
Wait,
I have.
a question. Have you ever, take off the wrapper of the Starburst and be like, and some paper, a little bit of paper left on it, and be like, it's fine. It's just nothing can happen.
I ain't gonna stunt. Yes, I have. If it's a good one, like a pink one, I'm eating that. If it's
Nothing-
stuck to it, I'm eating that. I'm
Nothing
eating
bad
that
will
paper.
happen. It's just paper.
You alright? You alright? But
I thought it was just me.
I have had a bad one. The orange ones are disgusting. The yellow ones are disgustinger. The other ones, I love Starburst. I love Starburst.
I think the orange ones are okay. Not good, okay.
I think you're just okay. I don't think you're good. Nutritional facts. Let's read those, shall we? I got my reading glasses on too, so I can read. The serving size is one package. Daggone. Let's see. It's 240 calories per pack. I could eat the whole pack and only get 240 calories. Wow. Let's see. 33 grams of sugar, 30 milligrams of sodium. Maybe not the whole package. Not all in one sitting. Maybe not. Let's see. The rest I don't care about. Wait, it says 0 milligrams of sodium right there. Figure it out. It don't matter. Let's get up in these. I want to see what kind of flavors. I thought it would have the flavors on the package. It ain't got the flavors on the package. That's weird. We got our Panama hats on too, because he's half Panamanian. I'm representing for the pancakes of the world. Let's see. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, I want that. I want that one.
What? The purple? Let's see. Come on. I was going to show him what it looked like first. You already pulling out the
You
thumb.
already dropping some.
It was an accident. Maybe I opened it like a toddler.
What?
Okay. I'm trying to get it up there so y'all can see these colors.
They got purple, yellow, pink, hot pink.
They got pink and hot pink. Boy, that is red.
Pink,
Boy, that is red.
hot pink. That is not. Are you colorblind? That is.
You still in school, ain't you? Make sure you don't miss no days. That is red. So,
Look at this. This is hot pink. This is hot pink.
it looks purple on the camera.
Boy, this is purple.
I graduated with honors.
That is so cool.
And then, okay. Well,
Okay.
you know what? We're just going to try it out. We're going to try each one of them. Did you get all of them?
No.
Okay. Dropping candy all amongst my vehicle.
My vehicle.
You good?
All right.
I'm
Ready.
Let's see. So, Pancake, read us these flavors here.
So we got grape slushy.
Grapes.
We got lemon lim. We got cherry. What is it? Cherry coulee. And we got strawberry watermelon.
So you can't read either. You don't know your colors and you can't read. Let me read these flavors to you so you know what's going on. I don't know what he's talking about. We got strawberry watermelon,
Watermelon.
cherry coulee. Almost said it wrong. Cherry cooler.
No, you almost said it the right way. That's wrong.
And just so y'all know, this is the one he was calling hot pink. It's cherry. So Thusly, it would
Look
be
at
red.
this. It's hot pink in the light.
Ah,
Boy, you already know what's wrong.
lemon lime.
Lemon.
Lemon lim. He said lemon lim. And then grape slushy.
Grape
All right. We're going to try the grape slushy first.
slushy.
Let's see. It's purple. Just like you would think. Grape. I mean, hey. It
Smells.
just smells like candy.
Ew.
It smells like-
rice. Well, to me, it
It's
smells
like
rice.
plastic, like a plastic playpen. I was gonna say you just gonna bite it. You wasn't gonna cheers or nothing.
Just make sure.
Yeah, let's just try it. You ready to try that? Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Boy, you too loud in the mug. Anybody ever told you? Boy, you can get your like a llama. I guess you got a smack on it. I mean, okay.
That's good. Grape slushy.
You get the grape in now.
You know what it tastes like?
Like a grape slush.
Grape slushy from Sonic.
You
You feel me?
Because grapes don't ever actually taste like real grapes. Like I mean, grape flavoring never tastes like real grapes. It just tastes like purple. I guess. The next one we're gonna try. Let's get this nasty one out the way, Pancake. Let's try the lemon lime. Like I said, yellows are never good.
Lemon.
We're gonna see if it's alright though. It's yellow.
Hold on. No, you don't.
It smells the same. It just smells like clay.
Hold on. Dropping papers.
Starving. Oh well, if you pull it apart a little bit, you can smell the flavor.
Oh, I felt that.
You get a little lemon in now.
Got a little lemon.
I mean, you shoved it halfway up your nose. I hope you got something there. Smell mine though. Smell right there. You
Yeah,
get that
smell.
lemon?
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Bruh, he's pretty good.
Let me introduce you guys to my wife piece.
Oh no.
And my auntie.
Her name is Miss Buttersworth. Come show your face. Come show your face, Miss Buttersworth.
Respectful.
Actually, never mind. It's not
Her
Miss
name is
Buzzworth. It's powdered sugar.
Say hi. Say hi, powdered sugar. Let me see if I
No,
can
I
get
don't
you.
look presentable.
Bum, 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 bum.
Wait.
Powdered sugar. There she is. Say hey, everybody.
Hey everybody.
All right, now. That's powdered sugar.
You already know it.
She gonna be on one of the episodes coming soon. Don't worry about that. But this one, it's alright. It's just the regular yellow. Yellow's never good. Yellow is never good. What color you steal from me? So I can replenish. It's alright. I ain't liking the yellow. I never like yellow. Cause I always gotta do like a banana, lemon, something weird like that. Okay. Hey,
Bye.
did you like that?
It's
never good. Let's get up in the what one it? What is it called?
I forgot.
I messed up the package.
Strawberry watermelon.
Boy, strawberry watermelon.
Thank you. Tropical?
Tropical. With the tropical ones, you can do that. You can put 2 or 3 in your mouth because they all mix well. These, if it's a yellow one in there, you got to get all that yellow out your mouth.
You gotta clean your palate
Eat.
before you eat that.
Pancake. Say it again. What you said?
Clean your palate.
Pancake been watching the Food Network. Go ahead. I hear you with the good Food Network terms. Okay. Strawberry
Watermelon. Ooh. Smell
It's
like.
gonna be good. Cheers, that brother. Look like an eraser.
Aeration.
I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because it didn't stuck in my teeth.
That's how you got
You know, I
smack.
take pride in good white tea.
You got smack.
You do got a smack. I'm glad you said that. My sister told me that back in the day. If you don't smack on your food, you're not getting the full flavor. You gotta get some air in every bite. That way you can.
And then you can close your mouth and eat like you usually do, and then you got to do it again.
You have to bring some more natural air into That's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, that one would fit in a tropical pack.
Mm-hmm.
That one would fit right down that tropical. We're trying to hurry up so that it's not at 18,000 minute video.
You already know.
Cherry cooler.
Are you ready?
Mm-mm.
Still in your mouth. Your mouth.
Trying to clean my palate.
Got me there.
Did you smell it?
Not
You
yet.
trying to rush me? You skipping steps. I don't smell nothing on
Oh, it's like clean. You heard me.
Yeah.
Oh.
It does sound.
Oh.
It's very clay. What is this? Cherry cooler. It smells like a damn cooler. I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to be cursing. It smells like a darn cooler.
I dare.
Are you gonna cheers or you just gonna eat it?
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
Ugh.
I really thought they were gonna be really good than not.
You know, it tastes like.
Hmm.
What is it called? Kool-Aid.
I could sure taste Kool-Aid in that. These really ain't hitting. I thought they would taste better than that.
The grape, sushi, and the strawberry watermelon. That hit. Like the other two.
Eh.
Should have stuck in my teeth.
Hmm.
Stuck in my teeth.
What would you rate that thing, Pancake?
Mmm.
4 ums. 4 ums from the Pancake. Explain 4 though, cause I felt like it was good. I didn't see 4.
I mean, so let me explain. So the grape sushi, that's on top,
Okay.
on the very top.
Agree.
The strawberry watermelon, that is in the middle, but also near the top. So in the middle of the middle and the top.
Yeah.
And then strawberry cooler, I felt like meh, but it was kind of good. Like,
When you say mad, you mean
tastes like Kool-Aid.
that cleared it up. Go ahead.
Yeah, it tastes like Kool-Aid, and I really like Kool-Aid. Put it in my lunch.
I feel you. I just don't
That's
feel
my
you.
explanation. Tell me.
I'm gonna say, I'm gonna give it 3. I'm gonna give it a strong 3. It would have been 4 or 5. I just feel like they snuck the yellow one in there. The yellow one just tastes like every other yellow Starburst ever. Because it's just like, it seemed like they just made more yellow Starburst and they were just trying to get rid of them. So they just said, we know this Starburst.
That is why I never mentioned the yellow.
Just because they shouldn't have mentioned it in this package because it's trash. You knew what I meant.
Mentioned.
You knew what I meant. It's late and I'm tired.
Mentioned.
Oh, let me put my glasses back on. Maybe I can pronounce my words.
Thank you guys for tuning into the Pancake and Waffle Show. I would like to shout out to all my baseball friends, Wally, Jonah, and Nick. Also, my Dartmouth Duck fans. See you out there. I know you. Represent.
So you just gonna take the outro and do what you want to do to it? Huh? You just gonna shout out all your homies? Tune in next time to the Pancake and Waffle Show because he thinks it's just a pancake show. What if I wanted to shout out my homies?
Go ahead.
I won't. Ain't gonna do it.
Pancake.
Tune in next time, baby.
Pancake. Ready?
Waffle.
Pancake.
I'm gonna have on a different pair of glasses and a new hat. I might even have a haircut. You know what? I wasn't gonna say nothing. I need a haircut.
I curled my hair today.
He think he Bruno Mars on Fridays. Bye, you ugly. Pancake, waffle, pancake, waffle, wow.